All right, here we go. All right, rockers, here's your official PSA. It's been a long time coming, but the wait is almost over. Yeah, you heard that right. I'm going live. I've been procrastinating long enough, but now the gears are turning, the cables are plugged in, and I'm firing this thing up for real. When I go live, it's not going to be some half-baked stream. I'm talking full throttle mixing, video production, guitar work, and everything it takes to make this a live rock experience. Big shout out to my good buddy Scott Clarke, the marathon man of live sessions. This guy can really put them out there for hours, and still he just keeps on rolling. Now, I might not go on for hours yet, but trust me, the live part is going to be a total blast. We'll dive into the life, music, and nostalgic magic of one of the greatest songs ever to hit the airwaves, and we'll do it together in real time. So keep your eyes peeled for more updates, because this rock revival is about to hit the stage only on my brand new YouTube channel, Heroes of Rock. Get ready to turn it up, tune in, and relive the soundtrack of our lives. It's happening live, baby. No edits, no filters, just pure rock and roll. Peace.
Heroes of Rock.